In this video, I'll be reviewing and unboxing the Bqeel U1 Pro 4K Android TV box. The TV box comes in a nice cardboard box. It is well packaged. It feels well made. It has here the RJ45 Ethernet entry, TF card entry, the DC input, HDMI, AV output, and 2 USB ports. Also in the box, you'll find the required accessories to connect the TV box to a screen or a TV. This is a DC adapter. This is the remote control. It's a basic remote control. And the HDMI cable. You have your user manual, which comes in 3 languages: English, French, and it also comes in Spanish. It's a basic manual. It just shows how to connect it and what is in the box. Connecting the box is easy and straightforward. Just connect the HDMI cable, which will provide video and audio, and connect the DC. The box will start right away and it will ask you to configure it using a configuration wizard. Here it will ask you to choose a language. I chose English, and then it will ask to choose the network, the Wi-Fi network. On the remote control, press the mouse button to be able to select the Wi-Fi network. Then, using the arrows on the remote control, move the mouse cursor and press OK. You'll select the network. Move to the input password, and once you're in it, you press OK. The virtual keyboard will appear. This way you can type in the password for your Wi-Fi network. Type in the password using the arrow keys on the remote control and press on connect. Once the Wi-Fi network is connected, go to your virtual keyboard and press enter and then done. To continue the setup wizard, just press the next button. Here it will show you the interface, how it looks. And then press next again and then complete. This is the welcome screen of the TV box. It comes preloaded with many popular applications like YouTube, Netflix, VLC media player, and Amazon Prime. I'm starting YouTube here. To search for a video or channel on YouTube, select search, and then always with the remote control arrows, type in the search you want, the string of characters you want to search for. Here I'm typing my channel name on YouTube, which is knowledge sharing. And then select it with the search result that will appear underneath the keyboard. This is my channel. I'm choosing a random video from my channel to show you. This is a full HD video. It starts right away, and the streaming is smooth and the image is very good. The grid you see on the screen are the effect of the camera on the screen. It has nothing to do with the TV box, so you cannot see them with your bare eyes. I'll be showing you other applications here. For instance, if you go to my apps, you will find in my apps many applications. Of course, you can install your own applications too. I'm choosing here Prime Video. Not signing in, just to show it to you. And then here's Netflix too. Overall, the TV box is well made. It streams quick and streams smoothly too. I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.